culprit here. We are going to revisit the PACLOCK 90 Alpha challenge lock made by ImMuju. He's on Reddit and he is on YouTube as well. ImMuju. I'll put the link below if I remember. Hopefully I will. Yeah, that's locked. Let's just want to get this on camera and open on camera so I can get this sent out there for everybody. He works. Oddly, I've worked on this a few more times. I had, of course, my last video. It shows me going like all the way almost to the, I think to the 2 o'clock position, and then it just flies out of there. And so I lost it. But since then, I've opened it 3 times, and it doesn't fall into a false set into the 2 o'clock position. It actually lets me open all the way to that point and it gets stuck. Like it literally just gets stuck right there. And that's past the shear line, that's past the Bible. So I don't know what's going on, but I'm going to try to replicate that today. Hopefully I could just get this thing open, but let's see here, do I have... Sorry, I'm looking for my tools here. I think I may have lost a tool. There it is down there. We've all done that time or two. Alright, so let's get down to it. 50 thousandths, top of the keyway. Bane of my existence. And make sure that we have a heavier pin to get out of those tough binding pins, and click on a 1, a 2, 3. I'm not sure anything out 4, I think 5, 6, 4, 2. One is binding. So click at 1. Gotta be careful when 1 binds with that top of the keyway. There, we got him. So 1 and 2 look good, I think. Three is binding. Got a low binding pin on 4, slight rotation on the core. Maybe 5, I don't know. I think this is a 6-pinner.
No. Outfit Scipio.
I should know. I got the thing the other day. I hope that was not overset. Got some rotation there, a little bit. Some micro rotation.
Why is it not so tight?
1. It's binding.
Come on.
That was the other 1 or 2. Alright, got some rotation out of 4, I think.
Okay, you go right on top.
4 or 5.
Go right on top.
It's 3's binding. Where's that 2? I think that was. This is 2. Okay, moving to a stronger pick. Jeez.
Or else.
Pick breaker here.
Better be good. Better not fight. Now.
Okay. So there we go. And you see that how I had to open that? It didn't just fall. Oh, I was not zoomed in. So this is where we're at. And that it's just stuck there. You know, unless it's just I don't get it. And this may have been where my pin flew out the other day. And it might be just a faucet, something that I haven't dealt with yet. So, looks like 2 is a bit bound up there. I'm gonna poke around in here. Last time it was actually, it felt like everything was just over, so like nothing was binding at all.
Great.
Okay.
You sit up here. I do my job.
Maybe that's the 1 o'clock.
I don't do shop, okay? Okay, Tim, I'm not shop, okay? Shop.
Oh, something's binding. I mean, it's bound up really hard.
Ow.
That's not moving. It's gonna break my pick before I move that anywhere.
Thank you for this test. I really appreciate that.
Tap on. Tap on.
Nope.
The warding?
On.
So it's a really low hanging pin. Actually, on that 2, I think I thought it was binding. I think I was hitting the warding.
64.
Yeah, so it feels like they're all. Well, hold on. No, 2 is. Come on, 2. I think it's 2.
Okay, so I'm gonna. Okay, this is like this now, and okay, this one's the same peel.
Make sure the thing's in there.
I have to like that peel.
So, if this is the case.
Test it.
2 is the only one in there that's not moving. It's the only binding pin.
Test
I'm not seeing any signs of counter.
it. Now go back to the shops. Shop. But I don't like it.
Actually, I think my pick may have saved it.
Tap. Tap on.
I don't know how we're going to get in there to
Textbook.
recover properly.
64.
Come on, pick, stick with us. Okay, we got a saved. Not the pick.
Tap. On. Tap. On. Tap. On.
I believe. Yeah, we're still there.
That's what we have, like. You found me.
3, 2.
On.
It's at the 1 o'clock.
Toggle. 64. 62. 64.
Come on.
64.
Tap.
Everything's dropping. I'm just at a loss. I don't know what else to do. Look at my picks here. There's a variety. Oh, we got movement that's on the core. Okay, so maybe I'll have to look at the video again when I open it. Felt 4 kind of loosen up a little bit. Nothing rotated, but it's kind of got the. Stick that Euro profile in there. 3 was giving us something. I don't want to bend this. Don't tell me. 1, 2, okay, we got 3s bound up. Trying to unbend this. Just don't know what to use. All these have already bent. Okay, we got. There was 3 set. What
Next
is?
weekend, you're gonna get more time.
I have no idea. I may have overset something. Get the pick there. I think. Oh, come on, get up in there. I don't even think we're where we were at the get-go, or when we got into that weird false set. That's what you want to call it. I don't know. Counter on 4. Yeah, I think our pick didn't save us after all. It's very easy to get back there. Jump to put these pins forward. There we go. Actually, this is open. Thank God. We got it. Okay, so this is a PACLOCK 90 alpha. Made by ImMuju. Again, he's on Reddit and he's on YouTube. I'm glad I'm able to finally have gotten that. Oh, actually, I have to get this. That's right. I'm notorious for, look at all the tools. Notorious for forgetting to get after a pick.
Yeah.
Last thing you want is someone to question your integrity, but you know, you never know nowadays. So a quick gut. Guys that has already seen this, you don't have to watch this again. I'm just gutting it. I'm not gonna even comment on the security pins. That's all in the one previous to this. So I'm just gonna gut it and show what it's got in there, and get this thing off to somebody else. I have not seen a challenge PACLOCK before. In this box is this. Zoom out here. This box is a great display case. It's awesome. I dropped this key. Did I get the cord out? Where is it? Oh, the cord dropped in there whenever I was showing it. Got that on camera. And this, let's see. Sorry about that.
No. Yes.
Everyone's favorite part about gutting is this. Gotta be the C clip. Oh, actually, I better put that very unique key back in there to close her up. It is that way. I always gotta think. Yes. Okay. All right. There you go. Sorry for the long video. Again, I think Murloc has rubbed off on me. This stubborn, very stubborn person. I gotta get that open. Let's see. So now I gotta use the key again. I don't.
Yeah.
You go that way. We have to go at a weird angle, which is where these PACLOCks are. With that follower. Be quick, be quick. I don't know if we got all the way through. Looks like a few fill out. That's fine. Only one in the spring. Here we go. One driver pin. Oh, there it is. Keep in order here. Oh, that's one. Last one. That's a big one. Big serrated. Alright. So that. Oh, key pin down. Key pin down. We got number 5 key pin. Oops. 6. 4. 3. I really try to keep them in the same order they come out in, but I guess it's more of a challenge for the next person, I guess. Mix it up a little bit, as long as the key works, hey.
This one. Oh, boy.
Alright, so there we go. Where is... Oh yeah, also there's serrations on on 6 and 3. I'm sorry, counter milling. 6 and 3. I'm not sure if you can see that. Usually it's better on my video camcorder screen sucks, but whenever I watch it on my monitor, it's clear as day. So hopefully you saw that. There's everything. You can see the counter milling from here. Sure can. And 3 and 6. A few of the springs are smaller than the others, but that's that. Alright, thanks, ImMuju. I'll be getting this sent out to someone else.